Okay, got a package in the mail. Just got home from one of my cousin's house for 4th of July. But it was supposed to come on Saturday, but it just came one day earlier. So I'm just gonna open this up, and I have the scissors. Let's see what's inside. Because I'm just a little bit all sweaty. Okay. Here it is. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. All my BNSF calendars. The 2008. I actually got a lot of BNSF stuffs. 2009. Oh, they're just the same year. Nothing else. I got the. Well, actually, I have like two of them are the same 2017 calendar. I'm only fucking like two of them are the same 2015 calendar. Holy shit. I got the 2012, 2013, 2011, 2014, which is their fucking ass same calendar. Actually, I got them separate. Look at that. Yay. Wow. I've been wanting to get into BNSF trains back together, but like holy shit. They're just really fucking nice. I'm still fucking glad I would want them for a while. This is the one from like Lofton or Loopton, Arizona, like in the New Mexico border. And the one from San Diego. But I'm not really a fan of Nebraska. Amarillo, Texas. I'm not really a fan of the Wisconsin from the former Burlington Northern route. It's a really cool calendar of the BNSF, but that's from like all the way to Long Beach, California, because that's I'm only a fan of the busiest out of Southern Transcon. So it's a really cool calendar of the BNSF, because that's what I like. I'm a big fan of the BNSF. Southern Transcon in the main line. So this is the BNSF Southern Transcon rail fan signing off.